Hey everyone, it's Pharaoh Silver here, and I thought I'd give you all a nice little tip and trick here on Atlas Earth. Another Atlas Earth video for y'all. I know it's been a minute. I haven't really talked about it very much lately because I've been busy trying to work on the rebrand. But I had this tip and trick waiting for y'all for the last month or so, but I got too sick. But I am a little bit better now, so I can talk about it. So, as y'all know, if you take a look at the screen here and you click on buy land, you will see that you will have a selection of parcels to choose from. And yes, I've actually already bought all this land. It just so happens that I d- I just don't have the green screen and the green land showing up here for some reason. It's a bug of Atlas Earth. I don't know. But anyway, so you see the 21 by 10 view that I have here. There's 21 squares vertical by 10 squares horizontal. So I get about 210 squares to choose from. Now, if you are on a tablet or an iPad, you might see something like this. And this was submitted by Annalise, showing the view for the iPad being somewhere around 22 by 15, which is 330. So that's about 50% more viewage. However, what if I told you that there was a way that you could get 5 times more viewage just from your phone? Well, I'm about to tell you that, but before I do, if you like other videos like this, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon for more Atlas Earth videos like these. All right, so let's get to the app that I'm going to show you all. Okay, so this is going to be for Android only. So if you have an iPhone, I apologize. You're not going to be able to do this because there's no app for it. And I have tried to find an app for something like this. But we're going to go to search and you're going to select orientation control. All right. And down here is the free screen orientation control app. You're going to tap that, and then you're going to tap install, and you're going to let it install. Now, once you tap open, what you'll see here is 6 buttons. Now, the first button, the one on the left, is the default. That indicates that you want it to go portrait or landscape, depending on if you're turning your phone right side up or sideways. However, the other 4 buttons, the next 4 buttons, you can lock in place. So for example, if you press the second button, it will lock into portrait, and it doesn't matter if I turn sideways or not, it will lock into portrait. You can also do upside down on the 4th button as well, but I cannot show it being upside down, but I can probably like turn it over so that way you guys can see something like that. You see it, I actually managed to turn it over, but you guys can't see that. It's still showing right side up here, and I'm going to turn it right back the other way. Now, the other 2 are landscape. So you can actually tap one of them. I'll tap this one here, and you will see the landscape setting, and it will lock into this landscape setting on every app, including those that will not normally let you use landscapes like Atlas Earth. I'm going to have to kind of make this a little bit bigger, actually, so you can see it. Yeah, so I can probably show you actually the results. Matter of fact, I got a better idea. I got some footage that I put in for a screenshot, and I'll show you right here. And you can see from here that you get a much bigger field of view right from the very beginning, although your avatar is quite tiny. Now, if you click on buy land, you'll see that the selection that you have, there's a giant circle in the middle. You can see of green ones because I haven't bought anything in this area. But the view has increased from your 21 by 10 using the portrait mode all the way to 52 by 22, or a selection of 1,144 parcels to choose from. Now, this is specifically useful if you're trying to claim a specific area quickly. Maybe there's competition from other players, or you're trying to get into one of those hard to reach areas that would put you in actual danger if you tried to get it otherwise. That extra up to 750 feet away works out wonders, believe me. The wider view also gives you more strategic options. Now, is this a gray area? Maybe, but in my opinion, it's not spoofing your location. It's not automating parcel placement. It's literally just rotating your screen. And at least according to the terms of service as of October 2025, Atlas Earth does not ban screen rotation. So, in a way, I feel like this is a nice little, and they haven't really banned it yet. I don't think they're going to, especially, I feel like it's a good safety thing too for those hard to reach areas if you really want to get a parcel somewhere. However, my advice is if you're worried, don't use it for purchasing parcels. You can use it to scout areas before you drive there, or you could just possibly just see what else is available out there as well. That's a little bit further away. If you're just using it for information and not for claiming, I think that's also mostly okay. But I mean, it's only about like an extra 700 feet or something. It's pretty used for like densely populated areas if you're looking for information. And for those that were asking about location spoofing in my earlier videos, I think this is the right time to talk about this as well. Yes, that is 100% against terms of service and you will be banned. Now, yes, I made videos where I spoof my location using BlueStacks back in the day. They were like the first 20 or so videos, but they were made well before the banning of such things was enforced and before they even had it set up that way. I mean, people were using like 5, 6 accounts at once even before they started the banning enforcing. So they did that for like over a year. And I only used the spoofing to show different areas that you could go. I never actually left the city of Kannapolis when spoofing, and believe me, I kind of wish I had because there are some places I wish I could have had to be a forever mayor of, like, Diomede, Alaska or something. But alas, one more thing, by the way, make sure you turn it back into the first setting in orientation control. Let me turn my live screen back on and show you. You just go back to the first setting. And then we're going to turn the portrait right side up. And there we go. And I'm going to have to turn that back in here. So let me just move this back to the center. And I think I might have actually made this a little bit too big. Let's see if I can get this back. Here we go. Awesome. So yeah, landscape mode playing mini games tends to be a real pain for me. So that's part of the reason why you don't want to lock yourself in the landscape mode for anything else but buying parcels. I don't know about you. I mean, we could try and see what it looks like if you want in a future video. Here's a rock, paper, scissors example. It actually looks really good with rock, paper, scissors, and the reaction time was amazing on it. But I did try it with Racer as well, which I can't show here because I don't have footage of that, and I went like 2 and 7 one time. It wasn't very pretty. Anyway, everyone, that is the video. If you found this useful, please hit that subscribe button and drop a comment and click the like on the video. Have you tried this trick? Do you think it's fair game? Is it crossing the line? Let me know. I want to hear your thoughts. And also thank you to my patrons. Now, if you're on the market for a new phone plan because you're paying too much, check out my top 5 best value mobile phone plans for 2025 and 2026 right here. Like the video if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe to Pharaoh Silver. I'm going to get something to eat now. I'm going to see y'all next time, everyone. This is Pharaoh Silver signing out. Bye, everybody.